Modal verb must. When to use. Examples, exercises. Modal verb must. When to use. Strong obligation, necessity. Something is necessary or required. No choice. I must finish my homework before dinner. You must wear a helmet while riding a bike. They must follow the safety rules. She must submit the form today. Modal verb must. When to use. Strong advice or recommendations. Telling someone what you strongly think they should do. You must try the new restaurant in the town. She must visit her grandparents this weekend. They must check the weather before traveling. He must read this book, it is very interesting. Modal verb must. When to use. Logical deduction. Certainty. Saying you are sure something is true. They must be at the station by now. You must be the new student. She must know the answer. He must be tired after working all day. Modal verb must. When to use. Telling someone they are not allowed to do something. They must not enter the restricted area. We must not waste water. He must not be late for the interview. I must not forget my keys. Modal verb must. When to use. Urgency or strong determination. Emphasizing that something is very important. I must call my friend right now. We must act quickly to solve this problem. They must start the project immediately. She must find a solution today. Modal verb must. Exercise. Comment on your own sentence with the modal verb must. Thank you.